Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Corvette Mall CA here. Unboxing my latest decal from my newest sponsor, American Muscle. So they laced me with a windshield banner I'll be putting on the driver's side door here, and then as well as a throttle controller that I'm interested in, well, excited to unbox, install, and review for you guys. So here we go. And that's it for the decal install. Let's get to the throttle controller. Alright, y'all, here's the unboxing for the highly anticipated throttle controller by way of American Muscle. Man, go there, they got a lot of good deals. Check them out. Discounts, great to work with, good shipping times. AmericanMuscle.com. This throttle controller by Solar Performance. They've been highly reviewed for the C8. They also make a throttle body for the C8 as well. So anxious to get this bad boy in. You can see the device looks real sleek, modern. Even got a little luxurious look to it. So let's get it in. Alright, so first thing you want to do, open driver's side door. Put the passenger seat all the way back. Mine's already all the way back, and then the steering wheel all the way up. Mine's already all the way up, and then you'll want to wait 10 minutes before step 2. Alright, so for the next step, you're going to locate the harness behind the gas pedal, disconnect that, and connect the female connector from the throttle controller. The harness you want to disconnect is right here, attached to the gas pedal. There it is. There's going to be a quick connect button on the top. That red lever on the top, you'll just pull that up, you'll hear it click out of place, and then you'll be able to disconnect the harness. The female connector of the harness to the gas pedal. So I got the harness disconnected from the gas pedal. Now I'm going to hook up the throttle controller. Female to male, male to female, vice versa. Throttle controller with the C8 Corvette's harness here. Connected to the C8's harness. Female to male, vice versa. Now it's time to move on to step 3. All right, once you get the pair connected to the harness and the gas pedal, you'll want to unravel the cord that goes to the display. Be sure to tuck the harness and connectors somewhere safe behind the gas pedal, and then the power cord for the display, you'll want to tuck that away nice and neatly underneath the trim leading up to the center console here, which is where I'll tuck mine, and then find a nice convenient place where you desire to place the display. So that's what I'll do next. I haven't decided where I'm going to mount the actual device yet, so I'm just going to leave it hanging and proceed with the rest of the install. Alright, so this is going to be my first startup after installing. We'll see if we get any check engine light. Beautiful. No check engine light. Good news. Let's proceed with the install. Alright, next step is to hold both of these buttons for a few seconds until a 4-digit number pops up. Okay, there we go. There we go. There's mine, ID 0184. After doing that, you'll go to the Solar Performance app. You download it on your smartphone. It's loading up. Okay, with the plus sign here. Input the code, hit pair. All right. Looks like we are paired together. And you can see we're paired. When I hit something on my phone, it changes instantly on the device. So this thing has comfort mode, sport, ludicrous, drag, artificial intelligence, valet, weather, economy, which is a fuel saver, and then back to OEM. So the dope thing about this, not only does it have 9 modes, including the original mode, but each mode has levels, right? So you can truly customize this device to meet your needs. All right, so this is just OEM mode right here. Everything feels normal. Nothing crazy here. Throttle response, you know, feels the same way it did before I put the throttle controller on. So I think it's dope that you can switch it back to OEM mode and it still be, you know, OEM. So, you know, still pretty good acceleration, but nothing like, you know, the different modes with the Solar Performance throttle control. So we'll do one pull here. Alright, so now we're in sport mode 8. And just right out the gate off the line, noticeable difference. The throttle response is night and day. Beautiful product. Yeah, normal throttle response is not putting me in the back of my seat like that, unless I'm at higher RPMs. But with this throttle controller, 2,000, 3,000 RPM, the acceleration is very noticeable. Normally, just that throttle controller, I'll let it feel that about, you know, 4,000, 5,000 RPMs, even sometimes redline around 6,000. So, man, like I said, such an amazing product. Acceleration. This is a fun mod. I'm glad I did it. Shout out to American Motion. Shout out to Solar Performance.